Welcome to our ESET Home Security tutorial series. Ready to boost your digital safety? You're in the right spot. Let's explore your ESET Home subscription. Today, we'll be starting from scratch, learning how to get your ESET Home Security up and running. We'll walk you through setting up your account, downloading, installing, and activating your protection, and protecting additional devices. Let's get started. Once you have completed your ESET Home Security purchase, you will receive a confirmation email. Open it and follow the Get Home Protected link. This will take you to ESET Home, the complete security management platform. Using the prompts on this page, create your ESET Home account. You can either choose to continue with a pre-filled email or sign in quickly via your Google or Apple account. If you continue with email, you will need to create a strong password and select your country. Once the account in ESET Home has been created, get started with adding your purchased subscription. To do this, you will need an activation key or product code. You can find this activation key product code in the confirmation email you received from Amazon or in your games and software library on Amazon. Insert the activation key to add your subscription to the ESET Home portal. Now you are ready to set up your protection. Simply click Protect Device. Choose Protect this device, and continue to download the installer. Your ESET Home Security has been downloaded successfully. You may need to enable ESET Live Installer within your device's user account control. Install ESET Security. When it comes to protection and installation settings, our recommendation is to allow all and continue. We suggest naming your device so it's easier for you to recognize and manage it in ESET Home in the future. After reviewing and submitting your activation details, installation is almost done. Now, your ESET Security product might open with a quick tour to explore various features and learn how to personalize your experience. That's it. Now, you are protected. To extend your protection to family members or friends, simply go to your ESET Home portal. Click Protect Device. Then choose Protect Another Device option. Select Get a Software Installer via email. Choose an operating system. Enter their email. And they'll receive the download link in their mailbox. And that's it for today's ESET Home Security tutorial. Hope you found it easy and helpful. Thank you for choosing ESET Home Security. In a world where technology enables progress, we're here to keep your digital journey protected. Stay safe and take care.
ESET Digital Security. Progress. Protected.